So welcome back. This is actually the same tree I went back to because last time I was taking the pictures in video mode and now I switched the camera to photo mode. Really funny now. So now it should be more or less the 10 megapixel. I have taken in this case 186 pictures. 184 seems to have been accepted. I did the rendering of the model already of the point cloud, and that took a much longer this time. It's about 4 hours instead of about half an hour. Here we have the point cloud. I tried to get some detail this time of this side also. Let me load the model where I went through some of the pictures right now. So you see me walking around, getting some of the details. Try to get the branch next to it also. I'm not sure if this was a good idea actually to it's completely hanging now while loading the model. It's a lot bigger, it's 3 million points. Still waiting. Should be able to do this because it is a quite powerful computer workstation. But it is taking its time to load it. There we are. Something has happened. I again left all the pictures in, didn't sort out any. And especially at the end I tried to capture details of this part to see how much detail I can get. As it now is in photo mode, it takes quite a bit longer to take the picture on the video camera. But I wanted to get some detail of this part. See, the tree is broken. Try to get detail of the bark. Let me go back up. So this is the part of the most that is here, with some leaves and a twig. And I was especially trying to get some detail here. Let me go over to the model. Lately my Xbox recorder is behaving a bit strange. So yeah, here is then the rendered model based on the 10 megapixels. And this time I especially wanted to have more detail of some specific area. Actually quite amazing. And so I went to this place and made a lot of pictures. And it's really amazing what type of 3D detail you can get from this. Actually, that was all I wanted to show for now. I just would encourage you to take lots of pictures and place them into Meshroom too, to get your beautiful models to be used in Blender, for example. Okay, that's all. Thank you.